a copyrighted video, so we have that problem. We'll edit it, no problem.
Which is what period is it?
English.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, those who have come in like later, you need to grab a pen and a pencil. Come on, come on. We have games.
Ma'am, see the chat, please.
Okay.
Ma'am, only pen and pencil.
Yes, only a book and a pencil or a pen. No, I mean, doesn't matter. Anything to write. Obviously, you will not use your finger to write, right, on the paper.
Ma'am, chalk also.
Yes, Umar. If the chalk is visible on your white paper, I have no problem.
Lame. Umar is so lame. So lame question.
Ma'am, is this चलेगा?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
हाँ, दौड़ेगा.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Ma'am, you want to see my new sketch?
14,
I
No.
What we are doing today?
28,
We are going to play a game.
24,
All right. And I
37,
have
38, 29, 30, 31, 32. Oh, sorry.
okay. I have 3 set of games for you. All right. So this session entirely we will. Okay, I'll start again. Now that everybody is come. Hello and welcome to the English class. And we have a certain set of games for you. I have certain set of games for you. 3 to be specific. So we will call this session as English triathlon. What is wrong with me? Anyway, anybody knows what is triathlon? No? How many of you all seen Student of the Year? Come on, Gandhi wali picture, Karan Johar ki. Haan, see, there she is. Okay, Juveria, tell me. Okay, I unmuted you. Come on, Juveria.
I did not see the movie Student of the Year. I just know what is Student of the Year.
Oh, okay, Hamza. I think you've come in the wrong class. It's English class, not PE. Yes, that's right. Okay. Anybody else who's seen Student of the Year? Have seen Student of the Year movie? No, don't. I do not recommend. Okay. Now, what in that movie? What happened was, Mohammed, I love your reaction, Mohammed Mahmoodi. Yes, that movie is like that. Anyway, okay, Humaira, you've seen the movie?
Ma'am, you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear your beautiful voice.
Ma'am, it is not the drama session that.
Drama session? No. But you want to do drama? I love doing drama. We'll do a lot of drama, don't worry. All right. So basically, Student of the Year movie had this triathlon. Okay. It is a marathon which has 3 sporting events in it. Today in this class, we are going to have an English triathlon. All right. And before I begin, I have something. Yesterday was Ibrahim's birthday. So Ibrahim, here is your right class wishing you a happy birthday. So that's Mohammed Abdullah Yai.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, and Ibrahim, I have one more. Sorry, I couldn't resist. It's so good.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Ibrahim, his name is Ibrahim. What are you doing? Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Ching pong.
Ching pong. Okay. Ibrahim, I'm so sorry. I told him your name, but it just refuses to remember, you know. We are getting old. Anyway, that was a bad joke. Okay, so continuing with the English. Anybody else? Yay, Ibrahim. Okay. Now, continuing with the English triathlon. I don't know, by the end of the session, I should be able to pronounce this properly. All right. Okay. So it's an English contest consisting of 3 games. The first one is dictogloss. Okay. Have you heard of dictogloss? Anybody? No. I've heard it for the first time. Second is correct the incorrect. Third is what will happen next. So we'll see what dictogloss is. Dictogloss is basically, I will read out a passage in 3 different speed levels. Okay, fast, slow, and slower. Okay. Now, while I'm reading out fast, you need to take a book and the pen that I had asked you to keep it with you, and you have to jot down whatever you can listen and understand from it. Okay. Then we will check how close it is to the original passage. Then I'll read it out slow so that you get more, you get to recreate the passage and add more to what you had jotted down. And then again, we'll check. And then I'll read very slow. Okay. So let us see, out of everybody, out of all the students, whose passage comes the closest to the original. Understood? Yes or no? If you understood, give me a thumbs up. If not, then thumbs down. Let me see. Yes. Okay. Okay. We have thumbs up. Okay. 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 Yahya, you have a question. Yes. Okay. Muhammad did not understand. All right. Where's Abdullah Patel? Yes, Yahya. What's your question?
Ma'am, it will be a big paragraph or short paragraph?
A short, very small paragraph.
Okay.
Okay. Good morning, Abdullah. Good noon, Abdullah. Okay, Mohammed Mahmoodi. I will read out a passage. All right. In a very fast speed. You have to jot down as much as you can listen. Okay, you have to listen carefully and jot down as much as you can. Then we will check whether your passage is close to the original one. I'll read it at the slow pace, then at the slower, and we are going to repeat the same thing over. Okay. Second is correct the incorrect. So I have certain set of sentences that are incorrectly framed. All right. And you guys have to correct the sentence, keeping in mind the capitalization. First letter should be capital and the proper noun should be capital. Punctuations, okay, and the structure, the grammar. All right. It's easy, don't worry. And the third is the most interesting and happening part is what happens next. So I'm going to show you a set of videos in which you guys have to guess what will happen next. So before the video completes, I'm going to pause it and ask you. Okay, so you have to speak and tell me, think and tell me what will happen next in the video. Sounds fun? Everybody? Okay, so let us start. Now, before we start, I'm going to divide you all into groups, okay, 2 teams, so that we have a race. Yes, Muhammad Saqib.
Ma'am, did you play this What Happened Next with Mandela?
Yes, I did. There you are. Okay, Aisha Aga, Abdullah Patel and Hamdad. Videos on. First. Okay, so now because our Zoom gives us 2 reactions, you know the 2 reactions. One is a clap and one is a thumbs up. Okay, everybody knows that exists. So we are going to have 2 teams, the clap team and the thumbs up team. Okay, and I'm going to call out the names. So you guys will be in the. I'll call out the names for the clap team. All right. It should be your. Okay. The clap team is Abdullah Patel. As soon as I call out your name, you have to put the clap icon. Yes, Juveria.
Uh, Ma'am, in the laptop we don't have that clap and the thumbs up option.
We do, child. There is, okay, so down below now, you see, there is reactions written.
Yes.
Yeah. Click
Yeah.
on the reaction. Got it? Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Okay. Abdullah Patel, the clap team. Hamdan, why are you putting thumbs up? Don't do that. Okay. Aisha Aga, clap team. Aisha Aga. Anas. Anas, are you there, Anas? Clap team. Okay. Aisha Kazi, Mohammad Mohammadi, Batul, Mohammad Saqib, Hamdan. Show me. Clap teams. Show your claps. I want to see the claps on the clap team. Okay, okay, okay. Anas, Abdullah Patel. All right. Now, whenever the question is posed, the remaining ones are thumbs up team. Okay, go ahead. Now I don't have to call out your name. Hamza, Humaira, Ibrahim, Juveria, Yahya, Rushda, Umar, Usman. Usman is absent. Anyway, okay, so you all are the thumbs up team. Now, whenever I pose a question and you wish to answer, you have to use your reaction. Okay, so now you know whose team you are in. You are in the clap team and the others are in the thumbs up team. So as soon as you want to answer, if I see a clap icon on your screen, I give you chance to answer. Is that clear? Okay, you have to react with your icon only. All right. Okay, so we'll start. Everybody, yes, yes, Aisha.
Ma'am, on the what will happen now? You will show us videos which we already saw on the
No. It will be new videos. Okay. Um. All right. Be ready. I'm starting with the passage. All right. Okay. Robots. A robot is a machine, but it is not just any machine. It is a special kind of machine. It is a machine that moves. It follows instructions. The instructions come from a computer because it is a machine. It does not make any mistakes. It does not get tired, and it never complains unless you tell it to. Robots are all around us. Some robots are used to make things. For example, robots can help make cars. Robots can be used to explore dangerous places. For example, robots can help explore volcanoes. Some robots are used to clean things. These robots can help vacuum your house. Some robots can even recognize words. They can even help answer telephone calls. Some robots look like humans. But most robots do not. Most robots just look like machines. Long ago, people imagined robots over 2,000 years ago. A famous poet imagined robots. The poet's name was Homer. His robots were made of gold. They cleaned things and they made things, but they were not real. They were imaginary. Nobody was able to make real robot. The first real robot was made in 1961. It was called. It was called Unimed. It was used to help make cars. It looked like a giant arm. In the future, we will have even more robots. They will do things we cannot do. They will do things we don't want to do, or they will do things that are too dangerous for us. Robots will help us fight fires. They will help us fight wars. They will help us fight sickness. They will help us discover things. This will make life better. Yes. Okay, let me see which team. Oh, Omar. Okay, Omar raises his gave thumbs up. Let's see. I'll give chance to the thumbs up team. Omar, go ahead. Read what you've jotted down.
Ma'am.
Yes, Omar, read what you've jotted down.
Ma'am, robots are used to pick things gold.
Okay, perfect. Okay, somebody from the clap team. Yes, Aisha Kazi.
I wrote a robot. It is not because it is not robots can make example house. They can even recognize ago 2000 years ago.
Okay, you could jot down quite a few things, but it's not comprehensible at all right, so no problem. Okay, I see two reactions from the thumbs up team, so I'm going to give it to them. Ibrahim.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
A robot is a robot is a machine. It never complains. It makes things. It works for you as long as you say. In 1996, the first and owner and blah blah
Shut
blah.
up. You could understand all that. Okay, for this, I have to. Okay, I'll just take one more answer from the clap team. Anas, go ahead. And then I will give points. Anas.
Ma'am, somebody is laughing from your.
No,
Robot is
that's my
a
message to her.
machine. Robot is a machine because it is a machine, something robot, volcano, etc. They can help their manager, they clean things. It was called.
Okay,
They
okay, I'll
will
stop
do
you there.
things
I'll
this
stop you
will.
there. Now, we all collectively agree that what Ibrahim said was more comprehensible than the clap team? Yes, Ibrahim from the thumbs up team had comprehensible sentences than the clap team. Yes, so I give him 100 points for the clap team for round 1. Okay. Oh, sorry, thumbs up team. Sorry, thumbs up team, 100 points for round 1. Got it. Okay. Now, yes, Abdullah.
Ma'am, but Anas told more than Ibrahim and it was the same what you told, ma'am.
It's not about telling more. It's about telling comprehensible sentences. Okay, Abdullah. We'll keep the rules very clear. Yeah. Don't worry. We have two more chances. You can go ahead. Yes, Aisha.
Ma'am, now you will speak slow, right?
Yes. And then I'll speak slower. So let's see who gets the closest. All right. Here we are again. Robots. A robot is a machine, but it is not just any machine. It is a special kind of machine. It is a machine that moves. It follows instructions. The instructions come from a computer. Because it is a machine, it does not make mistakes. And it does not get tired. And it never complains. Unless you tell it to. Robots are all around us. Some robots are used to make things. For example, robots can help make cars. Some robots are used to explore dangerous places. For example, robots can help explore volcanoes. Some robots are used to clean things. These robots can help vacuum your house. Some robots can even recognize words. They can be used to help answer telephone calls. Some robots look like humans, but most robots do not. Most robots just look like machines. Long ago, people imagined robots. Over 2000 years ago, a famous poet imagined robots. The poet's name was Homer. His robots were made of gold. They cleaned things and they made things. But they were not real. They were imaginary. Nobody was able to make a real robot. The first real robot was made in 1961. It was called Unimate. It was used to help make cars. It looked like a giant arm. In the future, we will have even more robots. They will do things that we cannot do. Or they will do things that we don't want to. Or they will do things that are too dangerous for us. Robots will help us fight fires, they will help us fight wars, they will help us fight sickness. They will help us discover things, they will help make life better. Clap! Okay, we have from the clap team. Aisha Aga, go ahead. Yes, Aisha.
No, ma'am, I couldn't hear you when you were saying. So I wanted to tell you to repeat it.
Oh my God, Aisha. Okay,
Ma'am,
but we
I
have
have
another Aisha from your team. Aisha, I'm going to repeat it one more time. No problem. But we'll see if your team wins this round. Then I'm not repeating. Okay, Aisha Kazi, go ahead. You had the second reaction. Then Yaya had the third reaction.
Robots. A robot is a machine. It is a machine that moves. It follows all the instructions and it never complains. Robots are all around us. They can help us in any ways. Example, to make cars and etc. Some robots are used to clean things, and most robots just look like simple machines. Robots were made of gold in 1961. No, they were imagined.
Okay.
Nobody was able to make a robot, but in 1961, there was a first robot named Unimate, and in the future maybe robots can help us in many things like fight diseases and doing things, etc.
19 sentences. 19 sentences. All right. Which team are you? The clap team. Remember, Yahya coming to you from the thumbs up team. Okay. Let's see if Yahya beats that. 19 sentences. Thumbs up team. Go ahead. Yahya, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Robot is a machine, but just is not an ordinary machine because it is a machine. It does not make mistakes. Some robots are used to clean things. Um, People nobody was able to make robots. In the future, there will be more robots. They will make our lives better.
Okay, that was 7. Hamdan, clap team, and then Rushda from the thumbs up team. Yeah.
Robot is a machine because it is a machine. It does not complain or get tired. The first robot was made in 1961.
That's it?
Yes, ma'am. I couldn't
Okay.
understand because
Perfect. No problem. You have Aisha Kazi. Okay, she has 19. Nobody has broken her score. Rushda coming to you. Aisha, you're from the clap team, right? Abdullah Patel, you're from the clap team. Yes. Rushda, go ahead.
Robots are machines, but they are not any type of machines. They are special machines. They are used to clean stuff. They are used to bake stuff, and they can be helpful in a lot of ways. For example, they can be used to make cars, or do stuff that we cannot do, or stuff that we don't want to do, or stuff that is too dangerous for us to do. They can help us fight sickness, war, and fire. So they will help us make a better world.
12. Nobody beats 19. Anybody else? Yes. Umar.
Ma'am Ibrahim bhai.
I can see Umar. I can see Ibrahim. What are you doing? Okay, Hamza.
A robot is a machine, but it's not an ordinary machine. It is a special machine that never complains and never gets tired until unless you say it to.
Okay, Hamza, tell me one thing, Hamza. while reading or speaking, why do you keep on shaking like that? You're sitting in the madrasa or what? Huh? Hamza? Alif, Lam, Mim. Yes? No, na? Okay. Hamza, that's it? Yes? I take the count? No? Okay. Go ahead. Speak, Hamza. 7 so far. Hamza, again, you're shaking, Hamza.
In 2000 years back, people imagined robots made from gold, but it was just imaginary. The first robot made was in 1961, and in the future, I hope robots might help the world make a better place.
Okay. 12 so far. Aisha, you're from which team? Show your icon. Show your icon. Clap team.
Ma'am, I am also clap team.
Yes, good. So clap teams don't have to worry. All right. Clap team, 100 points. Okay, so far it's a tie. I'm gonna read it out for the third time, very slowly. Robot. A robot is a machine, but it is not just any machine. It is. क्या है हमदान? What? Loudly?
Yes.
Okay. Robot is a machine, but it is not just any machine. It is a special kind of machine. It is a machine that moves. It follows instructions. The instructions come from a computer. Because it is a machine, it does not make mistakes, and it does not get tired, and it never complains unless you tell it to. Robots are all around us. Some robots are used to make things. For example, robots can help make cars. Some robots are used to explore dangerous places. For example, robots can help explore volcanoes. Some robots are used to clean things. These robots can help vacuum your house. Some robots can even recognize words. They can be used to help answer telephone calls. Some robots look like humans, but most robots do not. Most robots just look like machines. Long ago, people imagined robots. Over 2000 years ago, a famous poet imagined robot. The poet's name was Homer. His robots were made of gold. They cleaned things and they made things, but they were not real. They were imaginary. Nobody was able to make a real robot. The first real robot was made in 1961. It was called Unit. It was used to help make cars. It looked like a giant arm. In the future, we will have even more robots. They will do things that we cannot do, or they will do things that we don't want to do, or they will do things that are too dangerous for us. Robots will help us fight fires. They will help us fight wars. They will help us fight sickness. They will help us discover things. They will help make life better. Okay. Muhammad Muhammadi, which team are you in? Go ahead. Read.
मैम I couldn't hear you, इतना स्लो बोल रहे थे और इतना कम आवाज में. Robot.
Bad. Clap team. What are you doing? Look at your players giving all kind of excuses. Batul, which team are you in? Thumbs up. Clap team. Go ahead.
Robots are machine, but it's not just ordinary machine.
Batul, read fast. I read slow, but you have to read fast. Go ahead. 2 sentences so far. Robots are machine, but they're not just ordinary machine.
Robots are machine, but they're not just ordinary machine, because it doesn't make mistake. It doesn't complain. It can make things for us. Example, car, and they can explore some dangerous place. Example, they can explore volcanoes. Some robots clean.
Some robots help you clean. Okay, got it.
Clean some, and they can help you answer.
After Batul, I'm coming to Humera, okay?
Some robots look like humans, but some robots are not. 2000 years ago, 1912.
Okay, that's it, Batul? Yeah, that's all?
Yes.
Okay. 10 sentences. Humera.
Ma'am, you can hear
Yes, very
me?
clearly. Yes, go ahead. Read your sentences.
Ma'am, the robots are very helpful. Robots can help anything to do that, and robots are very strong. Robots can do anything. The fire, yeah, someone is helping, someone is calling to help. That time he can go
Okay.
and help, and someone's attack the poor peoples, and the robots also help him.
Okay, fine. That is 6 sentences. Thank you, Humera. All right.
Ma'am,
Anas. Yes. After Anas, I'm coming to Umar. All right. Then Aisha. Yeah. And then Juwaria. Abdullah, why are you drooling in the video? Keep your hand down, Abdullah. I'll see. I can see you. Hi, Farada. Okay, Anas, speak with her.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Robot is a machine, but is not just any machine. It is a small kind of machine that moves the interesting because it is a machine, because it does not get tired. Robots are around us. Robots can make cars and wars, for example, clean our house. They can be used to some robots. Most robots like machine long ago, people machine robot were made and they made things, but they were not rich. Nobody was imagined to make a robot. They make cars. It look like giant arm. Don't want to do.
Oh God, I can't hear you.
Robots
Anas,
will tell us.
17 sentences so far. Clap team. You are from Clap team, Anas?
Yes, ma'am.
Arey, same from the same team as Aisha. What thumbs up team? What is thumbs up team? Aisha, your team is breaking your own record, Aisha. Okay, Anas, go ahead. 17? That's it? Or you have more? Unmute yourself, Anas. Unmute करो पहले.
हाँ मैम लिफ्ट बटन तक.
हाँ तो 17 आपने रीड किए जहाँ पर स्टॉप हुआ you start reading from there.
Yes.
That's it? Okay, I'll take 17 for that. All right. Umar, go ahead. You're from the thumbs up team. I can see. Umar, save your team, Umar. Clap team is going to win this round as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Go ahead. Umar, read.
Robot are not
Robert, nahi, robot.
robots are machine, but not machine. They are not just any machine. They can make they can make machine. They can make
Robot a
cars.
machine, not just any machine. They can make cars. 3 sentences so far. Okay.
And make biscuits and clean our house, and they can explore dangerous places. Example, volcanoes. In olden days, people used to make robots from gold. Yes.
Okay. From the thumbs up team, who did not get chance to win? Who did not get chance to speak? Thumbs up team. Show me your icon, the thumbs up team people. Ibrahim, you spoke in the first round. Yaya also spoke. Juveria. Rushda also spoke.
Mom,
Go
can
ahead,
I say?
Juveria, save your team.
Robot is a machine. It's not any machine. It's never. It's a very special machine. It never it never complains and it never gets tired unless you tell it. Some robots are used to clean, and some robots are made of gold. Some robots look like human beings. In the future, they will help us to fight, and they will make lives better. Some robots are used to explore dangerous places, where like example volcanoes, etc. Some robots make cars, and some robots can make the done.
Okay, that is 13 for you. All right, now I'll end the round over here, and clearly the clap team has won this round. Now, okay, last segment. Now because we do not have time, because I have only 10 minutes in hand, I'm going to skip the second part, correct the incorrect of this event contest, and we'll move on to what happens next. All right, now I will let Abdullah, Aisha Aga and Hamdan speak before moving ahead.
Ma'am, you tell very low, ma'am. You tell loud. I couldn't hear anything last time.
Oh, but doesn't matter, Abdullah, your team won anyway.
But you now.
Okay, now it's proper?
Yes, ma'am.
No? Yeah, okay. Yes, Aisha Aga.
Ma'am, can I say?
Beta, we've ended the round. Okay. So next, what in the next segment, I'll give you a chance. Hamdan.
Ma'am, I wanted to read out the paragraph you told now. That's why I gave this.
We've ended the segment, Hamdan. Okay, no problem. Next. Yes, Anas, you had something to say.
Ma'am, you also robot. You are talking like a robot.
I was talking like a robot. All right, moving on to the next segment. That is what happens next. Okay. You don't need your book, pen and paper, anything for that. You just have to watch. And I will pause. You have to give your reaction. All right. So you be ready with that. Let me see.
What happens next?
Yes. Reaction. Okay, yeah, go.
Ma'am, it will go ahead like this.
Don't show me. Tell me. Don't show me. You have to speak.
It will, ma'am, his hand will go again, and it will get up.
What will happen next? It will just wake up like that in the same place?
No.
All right. Aisha Aga, over to you.
Ma'am, it will, when it is lying down, no, so it will, the person who is recording.
What will happen next? Just tell me that. Yes. The person recording will?
He will get scared and he will run away.
Perfect. Okay. Rushda.
The dog will jump up.
The dog will jump up. Muhammad Saqib.
Ma'am, he will go and hit the wall.
Okay.
What happens next?
Who was close to the answer? Who was close to the answer? Hamdan. Which team, Hamdan? The clap team. There you are, the clap team, and I end and the final score 1, 2, 3, 4, 400 for the clap and 200 for thumbs up team. Very good, very good. Don't worry, it's just a game. Kinchana, happy holidays. Bye bye. See you all. Unmute yourself and make some noise.
Ma'am.
Go ahead. Yes, yes. Okay. Eid Mubarak to all. Happy holidays. Enjoy. Bye bye. Take care. Stay healthy. Do not disturb during vacation. 3 days I'm going to only sleep. Bye bye. Okay. Love you all. Bye bye.
4 days. Ma'am, we have Monday
I'll
also
sleep.
holiday.
Fine. No problem.
Ma'am, we have Monday also holiday.
I'm more happier than you.
Bye.
Bye bye bye.